There's a reason why the S2000 is on every single Honda enthusiast bucket list, and if it's not on yours, after this video, trust me, it will be. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Oh my gosh, man. Yo. Gosh, man. Oh, I felt the back kind of kick out slightly right there. Traffic? Nope. Oh my gosh. So tail happy. Mr. Truck. Oh my gosh, man. Children. Oh my gosh, bro. Turn, man. Get out of my way, sir. Look at this road and I got this freaking Explorer in front of me, bro. You are in an SUV.
I just can't do it. I can't take this shit.
I'm going this way. Frick you. Woohoo! tires are not for this weather. I can't even lie to you. Woo. School bus, man. And a box truck? Y'all see the box truck up there, bro? And a red car. Bro, I got beef with all red cars. I've noticed. Isn't red supposed to be freaking for fast or something like that? No, bruh. In my experience, it's the exact freaking opposite, dude. Every time I get behind a red freaking car, they're going grandma pace, bro. Listen here, Grandma Mildred. Take your behind off the street. It's too dangerous for you out here anyway, bro. You should be at home like knitting or something. PSA off, come on now.